This cat tried to kill me for simply looking at her, so she'll be wearing the trouble bubble for the entire groom today. First up, I disarm my victim.
She's gonna turn around and get me.
And in case she doesn't let me finish the groom, I shave off her peppercorns before I take her for a bath. This is Martha, and if you couldn't tell, she's a cat. Now Martha is a bit on the different side. Despite her owner's best efforts to keep her cat contained, her favorite hiding place is in the drop ceiling. Unfortunately, she has fallen out of the ceiling more than once, resulting in liver damage. I guess she's decided if she can't kill everyone else around her, she'll just expire herself. In the beginning, she was just a bit nervous of the blow dryer. But eventually, she accepted her fate. For those of you who know about our 2 million subscriber giveaway, stay tuned for our next video for instructions on how you can enter to win a free trip to Niagara Falls. Once Martha was dry, I brushed her out with my slicker brush, and then I went over her with my cat comb. Let's just say she's about done with her kitty timer.
No. Don't do it. Shh. She has matting on both of these back legs.
Once I removed all of her matting, I was done with her shenanigans. I wrapped her in a towel so that it would be safer for me to remove the trouble bubble, and then I put her in her crate.
There we go. And she says sit with me. And she's trying to attack. Stop it.
Today, for our pet of the day, we have Cubby, the 4-year-old feline. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the mean Martha.